Hey guys, today we're going to make the easiest bread recipe there is. It's called an Irish soda bread. Really easy, 4 ingredients, that's all you need. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna sift it through into the mixing bowl. Sift. Next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna wing it here. Yeah, that seems like a teaspoon. Boom. Okay, the 4th ingredient, if you have it, would be buttermilk. 1 3/4 cups of it. But I don't have buttermilk, so I'm gonna substitute that with regular whole milk. But I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon's worth of vinegar in there. Adding the vinegar will help the pH levels go up, which will then help the bread rise. So I just added the vinegar. I'm gonna mix it into the milk here. And then let's pour this into our dry mix. And mix. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, let's start kneading our dough. If I had a bigger mixing bowl, I could probably just knead the dough inside of it. But this is too small, so I'm gonna drop this on the counter once I get a ball here. In fact, let's do it right now. Okay, that should do the trick. Next, let's just score it. Get a knife here, and I'm just gonna score it here. That is it. So let's just put that aside for a moment. Bring our pan over. I'm just gonna grease my cast iron pan. I'm gonna throw this straight into the oven. You can use a baking pan or an oven safe skillet of some sort. I'm gonna use my cast iron here. I'm gonna drop this down and then cover it with aluminum foil. All right, so all I have to do now is throw this in the oven for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, take the aluminum foil off and leave it in the oven for another 15, and done. All done. This looks amazing. Love the smell of freshly baked bread. Let's cut into this and see what it looks like inside and also give it a taste. I can't wait for this. All right. Okay, let's give it a taste. That's nice. It's like a bread you would buy at the store, only better because it's freshly baked. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other ones right here, and please support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.